In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide notification previews from the lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now we are at a notification center. Here we got a couple of notifications, and right there it shows us the content of the notifications. It could be some kind of a message or whatever, and in some cases that information can be personal and sensitive, and if you would like to hide it, we can easily do so, and now I'm gonna show you how to do that. So guys, first off we need to head over to settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning. So now we need to tap at settings, then tap at notifications, and there we can easily find show previews. Here always is selected. However, if you would like to hide notifications content, you can select when unlocked. It will show you notification previews just when your device is unlocked. However, if you would like to completely hide notification previews or content, you should select never, and then if we go to the notification center, we can still see here the same notifications. However, as you can see now, it just shows us the application, and down below here it says notification. All the content is now hidden. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.